Craig Chanonka, Spur Specialist with Case IH here to go through and show you how to set up your quick shuttle along with your preset speed 1 and preset speed 2. So first off, we're going to do the set speed 1 and set speed 2 with utilizing the thumb wheel. So the scroll wheel is going to set our predetermined set speed. Then we're going to press and hold whichever one we want to change. So if I scroll the thumb wheel away from me, it increases the speed. So I'm going to set my preset 1 or set speed 1 speed to 7 miles an hour. So you can see on the front display on the Viz 2, we have a set speed of 7. If I press and hold 1, it's going to now be my set speed 1. Set speed 2, I'm going to set up. So I'm going to set that one up for 17 miles an hour. So I'm going to scroll it towards me till I get to 17 miles an hour. Once I hit 17 miles an hour, I'm going to press and hold set speed 2. And now I've got my set speed 1 and set speed 2 set up. Next, the quick shuttle. So it's the black button on the multifunction handle with the curved arrow. So what that's going to do for me when I'm traveling in the field, I'm going in a forward direction, I want to back into a corner, I simply hit that button, it'll take me in a predetermined speed in reverse. Once I back into that corner, I hit that button again, and it's going to propel me in a forward speed predetermined setup in the 1200. So now we're going to look at the Pro 1200 and show you how to set that up. So from the settings, so utilizing the gray button with the arrow, I'm going to go into my settings screen on the Pro 1200. From there, I'm going to go and find my transmission. I'm going to tap on my transmission in the right hand of the Pro 1200. Now you'll see I have a quick forward shuttle speed and a reverse quick shuttle speed. So I can either use the slider to set those speeds. I'm going to set mine at 5 miles an hour, or you can use the arrows to set it. So I'm going to do 5 miles an hour on my forward shuttle, and I'm going to do, say, 5 miles on my reverse shuttle. Once I have those two set, I can simply X out of there, go back to my spray screen. Now I have set up those two speed ranges. So that is an overview of set speed 1, set speed 2, along with the quick shuttle speed setup.